Yo, it's M1 on the beat. Right now we're locked into chord. You understand? Well, we're doing the flipping taste test, and we're gonna be tasting a whole heap of things. So get ready. I just finished the whole thing. Let's go. I just finished a whole bottle of alcohol, Ozzy. Hey, Ozzy. I just finished the whole bottle, you know.
The whole bottle?
Oh, a whole bottle. Yeah, I finished the whole bottle.
You have to guess which one's the real Magnum.
As a Maggie drink, I know you can do this, bro.
It's a sip.
One of them looks extremely darker.
That's a Maggie though.
I think this is the Magnum. Are you mad? This is the Magnum.
How do you know, bro?
When you know things, you condone things. And when you condone things, the acceptance is unlimited.
Steady, bro.
Come on.
This is the real one still. Cool. This is the real Maggie, bro. This one here.
You sure?
Cause this tastes like one that I always get. And you know one that I always get? The fake one.
Are you sure?
Oh
Is
God.
that your final decision?
Is that my final decision? Yes, it is.
Wrong. Hey!
Oh.
You're wrong. Chord 1, M1 milk.
Fuck!
No peeking, no peeking.
I promise I can't see. I promise.
M1OnTheBeat.
Let's go.
Brizzy, you know when the patney's blending. Buy it, cop it, tell me you shot and the gangs are spending. You never beat that mash off one hand after the boot and your hands all trembling.
I didn't rate the beat as much here. I was like, nah, man. Then when I sent it to K-Trap brought it to life. You get me? Bow! 30, 30, naked, on sweet.
Which one do you think was the expensive one? Which one do you think was the beat flow?
Oh my God, did I know you was gonna ask this? Did I know you was gonna ask this? The first one was the beat pills, no.
Are you sure?
The first time it played to you.
Oh, come on, man. Come on, man.
Hey, you're producer of the year, bro. You got an ear for it, bro.
I feel like everyone's trying to trick me into thinking that it's this.
So which one are you saying is the first?
The fact that she, you know what? The fact that she's saying what is making me think that it's the second one now.
So which one are you gonna go?
The second one. The beats one was the second thing that played. I feel like the reason why is because the way the beat knocks, I feel like I can feel it more than the other. I feel like the second one may have some gratitude towards how I feel.
So you're going second?
Long story short.
Yes. Right. Wrong. Right. Wrong.
Right.
Yeah! Is this a camel?
How like a Lima?
Lima?
Lima, yeah.
You see my man over here, right? He's wearing feathers, bad man. You know how happy you have to be to have feathers. You understand? You have to be wearing feathers, bad. You have to be happy. You know? But my point is, the dots that I wrote just right now is more likely to get sold of a picture of me just flying in the air. You know what I'm saying? Or Superman or something.
Okay, so they're looking at these two. That one?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
The world is weird. The world has its own shape, and it's not necessarily the shape that we all agree with, but this is definitely the shape. See this? This is like, I know what I'm getting paid. Yeah. Just give me my check, because this is what you asked for. I already know I'm right. I think I know I'm right.
You are correct, bro.
You're a jewelry man.
You know what? I can't lie. I'm not a jewelry man, but I like jewelry.
You like, yeah.
I like jewelry.
So we got Sanucci here.
Is she? Yeah.
Sanucci.
Is this how you're feeling? Yeah.
Yeah. And then we got some jewelry that we bought from Amazon. Yeah.
Oh no, this one's the real one.
Wait, why?
100%. It's just heavier.
Put on your fingers for the weight, man.
It's heavy. No, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's got some numbers on it as well. It's got a little C on it. This is just cheesy, bro.
I really say that.
Literally, huh? You understand? This is huh.
Okay.
Like I can't talk right now. It's not even coming out.
Final answer. That's the most expensive one. You are correct, bro. Correct.
Which vinyl do you think is the most expensive vinyl out of these two classic albums?
What's the artist names?
Kanye West and Nas.
Shit. Not Kanye West. It's Kanye West, right?
No, that's Nas.
Oh, is it?
It's a Nas.
I've heard Kanye West's name more than I've heard Nas's name in my life. But guess what? I've seen this cover more than anything.
Yeah.
Is this Nas as a baby?
Yeah.
Is that him, yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
Apparently he started that trend as well.
But to put your baby self as a...
Colour is the colour one.
Really good. It's just got all of the lights in here, baby. Yeah, sounds good. I think Nas's tape, you know, there's something about this tape. This picture is memorable. Classic picture.
So which do you think costs more to buy now?
I can't lie, can't you? Because he's the man, he's popping right now, isn't it? Long story short, physics and that, like, he's popping. Like, even if I get this wrong, I'm basically right because of, like, physics.
You are right.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1 smell, 2 smell, how many more?
What do you think?
Prada.
That's Prada.
That's Prada.
How do you know?
It's beautiful. This smells like everything. I just smell like you know when you go Pound World and like they got a one fragrance and like they got different bottles for the one. Oh my god, you know what? Yeah, 1,012%. This one is the Prada creme de la creme and everything above.
You are wrong. So next up we have some sweets. One of them's from Harvey Nichols. It cost us £5. The other one is from Aldi, bro. It cost us 39p.
Today we are going to tell which one is more expensive,
Yeah.
which one is more not, which one is from here, and which one is not from here.
Like that, bro.
It's cool. Yes.
They definitely put egg in it.
What about the other one? Let's have it.
Like I'm about to read the time or something. But you know what time it is, right?
What's that?
I can't like think of the right time when it actually is for sure.
What are you thinking? What's funny, G?
This is definitely the cheap one, you know?
This way. Are you sure?
100%!
Okay. Well, you are wrong.
How